Welcome back. Let's talk about the market technicals. Gaurav Ratnaparkhi of Sharekhan now joins in for a quick technical check on the market. Gaurav, we've rebounded pretty well after the cuts that we had towards the end of last week. Would you buy into the up move? What are the key levels that you're tracking and your stocks?
Yeah, good morning. I would rather prefer it as a selling opportunity. Basically, if you look at the index structure, in the last week, Nifty made multiple attempts to cross 18,000 mark, but it could not sustain in the higher territory. The level of 18,100 indeed acted as a strong resistance, where the Nifty stumbled near its Delhi upper Bollinger Band for 3 consecutive sessions. And even the early upper Bollinger Band put additional pressure on the higher side. So from there, Nifty has entered short-term correction mode. Last week, what we saw was first leg of the correction. And today we are seeing a minor degree bounce back, which is expected to be followed by the next leg of the correction. So basically this bounce is actually an opportunity to initiate fresh short position. For short-term traders, around 17,680, 17,700 will be the zone where they can consider initiating fresh short position. Keep a stop loss of 17,800, and on the downside, 17,500 and even 17,200 will be the targets to watch out for. And in terms of stock-specific action, I have picked up one long and one short idea. On the long side, I have picked up Eicher Motors. Basically, this counter has been one of the outperforming candidates within the auto pack for last 1 month. And the structure is showing strength for short term as well as medium term. And on the occasions of minor degree dips, this stock has been taking support near its 20-day moving average. So keeping a stop loss below 20-day moving average, one can initiate fresh long position. So stop loss will be 34.50, and on the higher side, targets will be 36.80 and 3800. Whereas on the short side, I have a counter from Metal Pack. Basically, metal space has seen a distribution in last few weeks and is now prepared for the next leg on the downside. In fact, the next leg of the correction is expected to be driven by Metal Pack. So this counter, National Aluminium, has formed a bearish outside bar as well as an engulfing bear candle on the weekly chart. And the follow-through selling is expected in this week. So I have a sell on National Aluminium at current level with stop loss at 79.50 and targets will be 73 and 70.
All right, Gaurav, got that. Thanks a lot for joining us and taking us through that.